End of the world, boys and girls. The end of the world, boys and girls. The end of the world, boys and girls. King Jesus. The end of the world's coming real fast. The end of the world, real people gotta last. That means you gotta have a strong mind. Don't mean the world blowing up. That ain't the new day and time. It's all about elevating the mind, kicking the rhyme real fine. I'm intertwining with your mind in this internet era. Come on, y'all. King Jesus kicking terror. Freestyle king, no hip hop king. I do my own thing. My mind is great. No pen and pad. Nah, my name ain't Chad. My name is King Jesus. Microphone check 1 2. I keep hip hop real true. In the sun time, King Jesus kicking the funky rhyme. Pay attention to the beat as I kick it to you. End of the day means your mind is elevating, dude. The fall off time of the TV fall off rhymes. They ain't no good in this day and time. Bad for your mind. I grind. Hip hop is me. Hip hop is very lovely. You got to know yourself first, then burst. Mentally, it's a curse. 666 if you watch TV. In this new time, they falling off G. December 21st, 2012. The new day, say hey. Yo, King Jesus flow, back at you, no intro, no pen and pad, I keep telling you that. King Jesus come real equipped with the rap, hip hop 1 2, King Jesus, I'm coming through to the internet world, King Jesus rocking the world.